Imagine you are cruising down the highway on a long road trip and suddenly your cruise control just stops working out of nowhere. It is frustrating, but it might actually be a warning sign of something more serious than just a lost convenience. When your car throws the code P0571, it is talking about a malfunction in the cruise control or brake switch circuit tie. Now the letter A usually points to a specific part of the wiring or a particular connector, but you will need your specific vehicle manual to be sure. Most people do not realize that the brake switch is doing double duty because it does not just turn on your brake lights. It also tells the engine control module to shut off the cruise control the second you tap the pedal. If this switch is acting up, you might lose your cruise control entirely, or even worse, your brake lights might not come on at all, which makes you a huge hazard on the road. I always suggest starting with the simplest thing first, so get down in the footwell and look at the brake pedal arm. I have seen so many cases where a driver has accidentally kicked the switch, or the plastic mount has just snapped off after years of use. If it looks physically broken or it is just dangling there, you have found your culprit. If everything looks solid, then you need to grab your multimeter and start checking for continuity. You are looking for high resistance or an open circuit in the wiring between the switch and the engine control module or the body control module. Sometimes it is just a bit of gunk or debris physically blocking the switch from clicking, so give it a good clean. Also keep an eye out for any pinched wires near the pedal assembly because that moving arm can eventually chafe through the insulation. Taking care of this early keeps your drives relaxing and more importantly ensures the people behind you know when you are slowing down.